Primal, Ultra Instinct. I'm loving these fan versions of Goku. So this is like Unreal Ent Gaming, I think. Saw this request and I thought I'd give it a go. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I just gotta get an image. Not prepared at all. Nice. Where's... Oh. Right, start with his eyes. And so in this version that this person does of Goku, he doesn't have the W frowns in the middle of the face. So we're going to just start with the eyebrows, right? So center point of my page is about here. Use a pencil for these, by the way. And then we go just kind of like a tick. And we'll go this way. Goes underneath his hair, right? But we'll do this tick for the brow, right? Curves down that way. Square end. And then we gradually get thinner as we go down. They're quite thin down here. Kind of manga style Goku eyebrows, right? Other side, same sort of thing. Check mark up this way, right? And like this is mostly cut off by hair, so don't worry too much if it's not the exact same, because we don't actually see it. Okay, so that's what we're talking about for the eyebrows. So typical Dragon Ball eyes, small line, long line, and then a curved line that brings them together. Okay, same thing on this side, small line, long line, and then our curved line that brings them together. Okay, so iris and pupil, pretty slender, skinny sort of eyes just coming down here. Like that. And then the pupil just coming out from underneath the eyebrow. Same thing on this side. Okay, so nose, right, so kind of left of center, you just got to do this kind of hooking sort of line that comes down, around and up. And in Dragon Ball they always draw in the shadow just here on the side, coming up the side of the nose. And then he looks real serious. You could do him smiling or serious, but he's serious in this person's version. So we just go like a straight line, real close to the nose, across, kind of hook it down there, there. And then we could have a shadow just underneath the chin there, like so. We also have those check marks, hatching lines just underneath the eyes. And some sort of frowning lines just on top here. So chin, relatively square chin. Just there. And then we do the jaw. So we go up the side, like so. You want to stop about mouth level and underneath sort of the edge of the eye, see that? Approximately across from the mouth. That's where you change direction and you go up the side of his face towards the edge of the eyebrows. And again, most of this kind of goes underneath his hair, so we'll go up this way anyway, just to get the shape, right? So kind of like this. So then hair spikes, right? So we got like hair spikes coming out and coming across here, coming across the eye. And then back up here. Up around like so. Another one coming out this side. So it cuts off this sort of side of his face here. Right, and then his hairline just comes across underneath this way. And you'll have some texture lines just underneath his hair. And of course you can erase all this stuff in here if you want. Or color over. So then, hair spike there. Another hair spike here. And then his ear. Like so. His other ear on the other side, just here. Bottoms of the ear kind of line up with the nose, see? And then we got some ear lines just inside. And then the rest of his hair. So he's got these long hair spikes that come out from behind his neck. So we got his neck here, neckline here, neck muscle going down this way, there, and then Adam's apple, like so. So these big hair spikes, kind of like Super Saiyan 4 sort of thing. So it comes out this way, around like that. Like so. And then shoulders, and then hair going all the way around his head, right? So big, like round basketball shoulders, crazy big. Right. Really circular shoulders like that, right? You might as well finish the body and then we'll do the hair. So shoulder line, center line for his chest here. Chest muscles come across the top like that. And then they go down there, around the bottom to there. Same on that side pretty much. You could have some like muscle fiber stuff coming across here. Another neck muscle there. Right, so then bicep, shoulder connection area here, and then a deltoid muscle. This way. All right, and then we can just see the bicep coming down that way, tricep, back of the arm, line that way. Same here, tricep, down there, bicep, like so. And then we can see some abs. Somewhere. Okay, weird abs, right? So it just like goes that way, I think. And then like ab muscle that way. We should see some ribs. Okay, there, maybe diaphragm more so than ribs. Right, and then rest of the hair. So coming out from behind the shoulder, so just here. Right, and then spiking all up this way. There. And then from here as well. Okay, and then we start to meet some of the like bigger ones, right? So going that way, and then like a really big one. to the top of the page, down, on here. Oh, and he has that round head part. So like here. And then spike in there, like so. Right, so then his hair has texture lines, and we'll just do him like sort of beat up, you know, like scratches and stuff all over his face and stuff like that. So for the hair texture lines, you just gotta follow each hair spike, adding these little short little lines for texture, following each hair spike. And you can do as much as you want, really. Right, and then, so he's like covered in blood and stuff, but that's just done with color. But we'll add like all these scratches and sort of beat up sort of lines. Like so, and he has a tail, but it's like down there, right? But I'm gonna do it like that it's kind of coming up here a little bit, right? So just a fluffy sort of, has spikes on it every now and then. Right, and just like textures all on that. Like so. And aura. So we'll give him the MUI sort of aura, right? So it's kind of oozing, spiking a little bit all around the head. And it'll go around his tail as well. And like some power releasing into the air. And that's it. Cool form from Unreal Ent. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.